So our question today is an otter jumps off a cliff and into the water. Its movement is modeled by the quartic function x4 minus x3 minus 7x squared plus x plus 6. So part A is telling us to solve the equation algebraically. So that means all we're going to do is solve for the zeros. So first we get the constant, which is 6, and we use the factor theorem. So we're going to find out all the positive and negative numbers that equal 6. So we have plus 1, we have plus and negative 1, we have plus 6, negative 6, plus 2, negative 2, and plus 3, negative 3. And we're just going to use trial and error, and we did that and we got 1. So we now know that x minus 1 is a factor because if you take 1 out of the bracket, it's going to be plus 1. So after that, you can either use synthesis division or long division. I decided to use synthesis. So what we're going to do is we're going to use synthesis division, and we got x minus 1 bracket x3 minus 7x minus 6. And because we have x3 over there, we're going to use the factor theorem all over again. So we're going to do again, find variables that equal into 6. And by doing that, we found that negative 1 is a variable. So now we know that x plus 1 is a factor of the new equation. So we're going to use synthesis division all over again. And we're going to get x minus 1 and then x plus 1. And then we have a new equation, which is x squared minus x minus 6. And we're just going to use the sum of the products. So the sum of a and c equals b. So we're just going to use this, and over here we got x is 1, so we got 1 times 1 equals 1, and then negative 6, we got negative 3 times 6 equals 2, and then if you add their sums together diagonally, you get negative 1. So we now know that our factors, our zeros are going to be x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 3, and x plus 2. So if we take it out of the bracket, our zeros are going to be 1, negative 1, 3, and negative 2.